to be here.
Oh yeah?
This is for dead people.
So dead people.
You look kind of alive. You have skin.
Yeah, I still have skin.
Listen, man, I don't have a problem with you being here, but somebody might, so I would keep moving, okay?
Alrighty.
Go! Ah. You're not moving. Keep moving. Come on, come on.
I can't figure it out.
What can't you figure out?
How to get out. I don't know how it got here. I have a cat at home. I don't know how long I've been here.
I don't mean to alarm you, but I think that guy's a liar.
He's a liar?
That guy's a liar?
We
You don't
like
want to
liars.
know you the liars around here.
Oh,
We don't like
man.
liars.
You don't want to know.
I
Okay.
lied once.
What do you
What?
Once. When
Get out of here.
No, when I first got here.
I don't care what it was.
Well, I can't leave. You know this. I've been trying.
Okay, fair enough.
For how long?
Eternity.
A very long time.
Maybe for...
I don't even know whether or not I should look for my cat here or back at home.
Cat where?
I don't know.
I didn't know we had animals here.
I don't know.
Raccoons everywhere. Ah!
You saw that?
Yes.
Very rude.
Very rude.
They tell me I could just go, and I can't. I'm stuck.
I told you.
I know, keep
Okay,
moving.
You know what?
What can't you
Keep
figure
moving.
out?
I don't know how long I've been here.
I think that guy's a liar.
He's a liar.
That guy's...
Can't leave. You know this. I've been trying.
Eternity.
A very long time.
Maybe for...
I don't even know whether or not I should look for my cat here. I don't know.
I'm sorry. You guys, we're gonna have to stay here forever now. You've been here too long. I'm making sure you don't leave. They're gonna stay away from me. What are you gonna do about it? No. Hey. Come on.
No one knows anything. It doesn't make sense. Gotta get out. I think I'll